Thank you, Chair, and thank you, Assemblymember Best, for asking me to second this really important motion. I have been privileged to rejoin the Health Committee this year. It is a wonderful, proactive committee with some of the best, most positive cross-party working that I've experienced in my almost 10 years on the Assembly. In March 24, under Chair Assemblymember Hirani, the committee published a report on gambling-related harms in London. There were 3 recommendations which mentioned advertising, but in particular recommendation 8 directly asked the Mayor to provide advertising space to pilot public health awareness messaging relating to gambling harms. Now, this isn't a standalone request to the Mayor. They've all been batted back. March 24, the committee published Healthy Living for All, asking the Mayor to launch a publicity campaign to raise awareness of Healthy Start. And in 2019, the whole Assembly unanimously agreed a motion that calls for the Mayor to design and deliver an awareness campaign to tackle the stigma associated with experiencing loneliness. I'd like to see a wider overhaul of the whole use of the TfL advertising space and the implementation of an ethical policy on what's permitted to be splashed all over our public realm. I'd personally prefer to see adverts for support available to expectant parents through the Healthy Start programme than another advert for fast fashion, or space pointing to help with gambling addiction rather than advertising deodorant. Now, the Health Committee has asked for both of those, and we bring thoughtful, helpful interventions drawn from our work scrutinising policy gaps and successes in London. Now, last week, we saw the Assembly at its best, cross-party, pushing TfL to admit there was nothing stopping recommendations from the Assembly being placed on the TfL network. We know the Mayor can't keep brushing off our recommendations, so I hope you will all support this motion.